Maintaining momentum, the art of keeping a steady pace. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the beautiful intricacies of the English language. Today, we're diving into a phrase that you might have come across: keep a steady pace. Understanding this can not only enrich your vocabulary but also inspire a practical approach to daily tasks and long-term goals. So, let's unpack this together and make your English learning journey a bit more fluent and enjoyable. Keep a steady pace is a phrase that encourages consistency and continuous progress in whatever you're doing. It suggests moving forward at a constant speed. Not too fast that you burn out quickly and not too slow that you fall behind. This principle can apply to physical activities like running or cycling, as well as to studying, working on a project, or progressing towards any goal. Keeping a steady pace is crucial for several reasons. Sustainability. It helps you maintain a level of activity that can be sustained over a long period, preventing burnout. Efficiency. By avoiding extremes of speed, you ensure that your energy and resources are used efficiently. Goal achievement. Steady progress increases the likelihood of reaching your goals, as it builds momentum and compels regular assessment and adjustment. To keep a steady pace, consider the following tips. Set realistic goals. Break your main goal into smaller, manageable tasks to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Monitor your progress. Regular check-ins on your progress can help adjust your pace as needed. Balance is key. Find a balance between work and rest to ensure that you're always at your best. Stay motivated. Remind yourself of the bigger picture and celebrate small victories along the way. Studying. Instead of cramming the night before an exam, study a little bit each day. Fitness. Increase your running distance gradually instead of trying to run a marathon with minimal training. Work projects. Break down large projects into weekly or daily tasks to ensure steady completion without last-minute stress. We hope this exploration of keep a steady pace has shed some light on its significance and how it can be applied in various aspects of life and learning. Remember, the key to success is often not how quickly you can move, but how consistently you can move forward. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the English language. Keep progressing, keep learning, and, most importantly, keep a steady pace. See you in the next video.